Hi, it's Dr. Lewis Clark. First of all, I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you or a loved one suffers with chronic, debilitating shoulder pain, this may be the most important 7 minutes of your life. Now, a little bit about myself, first of all. I'm a licensed chiropractor in the state of Texas. I'm board certified in integrative medicine, and I'm also a certified wellness practitioner. And the reason that that is important to you is the fact that that means I've spent extra time learning how to take care of difficult and painful conditions like shoulder pain, frozen shoulder, impingement syndrome, and rotator cuff syndrome. I also have over 24 years of experience dealing with these type of conditions. So now our office has specialized in handling these type of conditions. And I'll tell you this, there's probably nothing on the face of the earth that is more painful and more agonizing than to have a frozen shoulder. So I'm going to talk to you, and I'm going to tell you first of all that there are some options available out there, believe it or not, even though you haven't probably heard of it, beyond surgery and drugs. In our office, I'll tell you this, we're not one of these guys. We're not, the average doctor is 17 years behind the current literature and technology. So guess what that means? They're doing the things that we were doing 20 years ago. Well, in the past 20 years, there's been some amazing advancements in not only are we able to know more about the body, how to treat the body, and how to get better results, but unfortunately, these guys don't know about it. And unfortunately, also insurance companies are also about 17 years behind, which means a lot of times insurance companies don't pay for it. So with that said, our office does specialize in offering unique and very specialized therapy for this type of condition. And it's not just one type of treatment. One thing is not going to take away what you've been suffering with or your loved one has been suffering with for all these months or maybe even years. So it's going to take a very special program, what I call my 4-point shoulder recovery program. And it involves 4 types of treatment and special technology. Let me show you what I mean. First of all, the MR4 cold laser is a foundational part of the 4-point shoulder program. The cold laser is one of the most advanced, the MR4 cold laser is one of the most advanced lasers on the market today. It's used by professional sports teams like the Houston Texans to help their athletes recover quicker. And there's 3 things the laser does for you. Number 1, it decreases your pain. Number 2, it decreases inflammation. And number 3, it increases the energy of the cell to help the cell recover faster. The second part is horizontal therapy. Horizontal therapy is a treatment done by the HacoMed machine. The HacoMed machine is developed by a German scientist. It is the only machine available today that can treat the nerves in 2 different ways, intracellular and extracellular. In other words, energy travels through your body in 2 ways, one through the nerves and one from cell to cell. This machine can actually restore your body's ability to heal, not only in the nerves, but also in the cells. That's a very important recovery, to decrease pain and to increase healing. And then the pulse electromagnetic field therapy, or PEMF, is there's over 10,000 articles on the internet about PEMF. So look it up on pubmed.gov or look on PEMFinfo.com and study about all the different things that it can do. But I'm going to tell you it's very important in this situation for decreasing pain and breaking up adhesions and scar tissue and allowing healing to come back in your body. And then lastly, you're going to need, in most cases, either rapid release therapy or trigenics therapy, which are both neuromuscular therapies where I work with the muscles that are weak to make them stronger, or with the muscles that are short or too tight to make them longer. And there are 6 muscles of your rotator cuff. Okay? It's not a cup, it's a cuff of 6 muscles. all 6 of these must work equally and together in order for your shoulder to properly function. This therapy is able to restore almost instantly more range of motion and more strength along with less pain. So this is the 4-point shoulder program, and I'm going to tell you what, it really works. I mean, it improves the quality of people's lives by allowing them to get back movement and to decrease pain. And I'm going to tell you this, I'm willing to prove it to you if you give me the chance. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a special offer available to those that see this video right here that I'm doing. And I'm going to offer our initial evaluation, which includes testing all 6 of the rotator cuff muscles for strength and length. It includes testing all the nerves that control the muscles of the shoulder, and that also involves the neck. It also involves us doing a complete structural and neurologic exam to see what we need to reverse or correct or change to help you. We're also going to include x-rays here if needed at no additional charge, so that we'll know how much damage you have, if any, and how much recovery you can expect. I'm going to offer this, normally a value of $285, I'm going to offer it for $60 for this reason. Because I want you to know what I already know, is that there is hope for your shoulder. Now I'm going to go one step beyond that though. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to include with that offer also 3 free treatments. This way I will know for certain that I can help you, and you will know for certain that I can help. But let me say this. If you do not improve in the first 3 visits, I will not accept your case. Let me repeat that. If you do not improve within the first 3 visits, I will not accept your case. If you do improve, I'll be certain that I can help you with our 4-point knee program. So if you are accepted for care in our office, we do have payment plans that are available for as little as $200 to $400 a month, and financed interest-free up to 12 to 18 months. So we can make the care affordable, because remember, most insurance companies are only covering what you've already had, which didn't work. So if the most effective treatment for any condition is the one that works, and that's also the most cost-effective. So unfortunately, because of how busy our office is, we take care of a lot of people and we help a lot of people. So we can only offer this to 15 people. I've set aside 15 appointments this month just for this ad. Once they're gone, they're gone. If you call after that, I'll put you on the waiting list. And next month, if we can, we'll open up some new opportunities. So this is how you contact our office. Our phone number, 281-819-5716. You can also go to clarkchiropractic.net. And when you call our office at 281-819-5716, be sure and let them know that you saw my video on the 4-point shoulder recovery program. And then I'll look forward to seeing you at our office here in Kingwood, Texas, and I'll look forward to helping you get your life back. God bless and have a great day.